Craving for something delicious that's the real taste of Thailand? Look no further than our authentic Thai fried rice. ข้าวผัดไข่ใส่หมู is the very first menu I learned to cook when I was young. It's very easy peasy and totally quick to cook. Grab your fork and get ready to dive into our Thai fried rice. It's sure to tantalize your attention. It will satisfy everyone.
Hey guys, hi guys. Today I will show you how to do Thai fried rice. Let's get started. So the ingredients is very simple. Jasmine rice that you cook chill overnight in the refrigerator, and that's make Thai fried rice. Very unique is this guy, this tomato. Let's start with the sliced tomatoes. Take the seeds out. Because the seeds can make the fried rice mushy. Nice. Garlic. Smash. Tenderloin pork here. Wow. Cut it into the half and then slice diagonal. Next is to marinate the salt and white pepper, the baking soda, cornstarch, 1 egg, and the seasonings mix sauce. That's good. Here you have the pork. Alright, start with oil on high. Oil in. Wow! Oil in. Garlic. Pork. No good. Up the heat. Set aside jasmine rice, black soy sauce, chicken base, stir fry sauce mix, little pinch of salt, rice in, beautiful, look at that. Let's go the goodies. Tomato. Onion. Voila! Fried rice. Cilantro, cucumber, Thai fried rice. Let's try it out. So good. Wow. Woo! Satisfied. So good. Wow. Wow. Just leave me with it. So, it's all for today. Sorry, I have food in my mouth. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you want me to cook for any menu, just leave the comment below. Also, I will leave a recipe in the description box. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.